Hello everyone, welcome to Tkinter Hub. In this video, we will explore how to build an application, which will allow to switch multiple frames, with professional looks, and the using power of Tkinter, with modern design and techniques. As you can see, I can switch multiple frames, like switching multiple pages. And also it indicates, switching pages. For display these indications, we will not use any image or icon, we will use a technique. Switching between frames, allow us to organize our application functionalities, into different sections or pages, which will make it easier for user experience. So, you are ready, to take your Tkinter skills to the next level. So let's get started. Here is basic code of Tkinter. So we will start from creating a frame. Basically in this frame, we will put these pages options. And also we will resize this frame, for make like in horizontal shape. Using pack_propagate method, you can resize frame like container, simply passing false argument to pack_propagate method, you can set frame height and width. Let's set frame height and width. Also we will set frame background color, for see how it's resized. You can see, frame resized. Now we will create these pages options buttons. Here I am creating a button. Here you can see, page option button created. Similarly we will create other pages options buttons. Now here we will create a main frame. In the main frame, we will switch multiple frames like home, products, contact, about. And also we will set main frame background color, for see how it's filled in both side. Here you can see, main frame expanded in both side. Now we will remove background color from frames. Now we will create these indicators. Basically these indicators will labels, with horizontal line, which we will place below in each of page option button. Let's see how we can create a horizontal line, using Tkinter label. Here I am creating a label, for home page option indicator. In the indicator label, we will not add any text. Here we will set background color of this label, for make label visible. For create a horizontal line using this label, we will use place method. Here I will set X and Y position of this label. For make this label, in a horizontal line, we will resize this label using place method. So here we will set width and the height of this label for resize. By setting width 80, and height 2, label will resize in a horizontal line. And the line color, will this label background color. Here you can see, label resized in a horizontal line. And also we need to adjust X and Y position of this label. Now line is at correct position. So we have created indicator for home page option. Similarly we will create indicators for other pages options. So we have created all indicators for pages options. Now we will create a functionality, which will show only indication of clicked page option. And in the initially, when this program will begin start, then home page option will be indicated. So first we will hide these indicators. By default we will show home page indicator. For hide indicators, we will remove background color of indicators labels. You can see other indicators hidden. Actually these labels are present here, but they are not showing, because we have removed background color of labels, which we were set. And a label default background color. Match with Tkinter window background color, so that's why they are not showing. So we will use this, as a technique, for show and hide indicator of clicked page option. Let's create a functionality, which will show only clicked page option indicator. In the switch function, we will take a indicator label argument. Indicator LB argument will a target indicator label object, which indicator we want to show. Basically in the switch function, we will set background color of targeted indicator label, for make it visible. So here we have set background color of targeted indicator, for show indication. Let's test this function. So here home page option indication is already showing. So we will test this function, with product page option button. So here we will add switch function to product page option button. So here targeted indicator label, will product page option indicator label. Now if the product page option button will clicked, then product page option indicator will show. Let's if I click products option. You can see, indicator is showing. Let's add this function to other pages options. In the Home Page Option button, Targeted Indicator Label, will Home Page Option Indicator Label. And in the Contact Page Option button, Targeted Indicator Label, will Contact Page Option Indicator Label. And in the About Page Option button, Targeted Indicator Label, will About Page Option Indicator Label. Here you can see, indicators are showing, when I am clicking Pages options. But there is a problem, if I will click Products Page Option, then only Products Page Option indicator should be shown, and other indicators should be hidden. Let's solve this problem. For solve this problem, here we will hide all indicators, before showing targeted indicator. So basically in this frame, we have placed all pages options buttons, and all indicators labels. In for loop through, we will get all placed child widgets objects, from this parent frame. And then we will hide each of indicator label, by setting root window matching background color. Using frame winfo_children function, we will get all child widgets objects, of this parent frame. Basically this parent frame, contains, buttons widgets and labels. And we want to access, label widgets from this parent frame. So in for loop through, we will check each of child widget as a label. So here we will check condition. If the child widget object is an instance of Tkinter label class. In for loop through, if this condition will true, then means the following child widget object is a label. So if the child widget is a label, then means it's an indicator of page option. So here we will hide indicator label, by setting root window matching background color. System button face is a default background color of root window. If you are using another operating system, like Mac or Linux, you can use root.cget function for know your root window, current or default background color. Here in for loop through, all indicators label will hide. And after here, targeted indicator label will show. Now let's test it. Here you can see, now other indicators are hidden. You can see, only clicked page option indicator is showing. Now we will create a frame, for each of page option, which we will switch, with clicking page option. Switching between frames, is very easy and simple. Basically in this function, we will create a frame for home page. Home page frame, we will put in main frame. Also we will fill and expand, home page in main frame. Here I will create a label, in home page frame. Here I have created a label, in home page frame. Now let's see, how we will display this home page, in our application. By default we will display home page, when our application will start, then by default we will display home page. As we have indicated home page option by default. So let's see how we will display home page. Simply here we will call home page function. So when home page function will execute, then home page frame will pack in main frame. Here you can see, home page packed in main frame. Let me show you example, by setting background color, to home page frame. Here you can see, home page frame is filled in both side in main frame. Similarly we will create other pages, as we have created home page. So we have created pages frames. And we have added every page frame in a function, because it will help us to switch in a page frame in main frame. So we will use a simple technique for switch between frames. This products page frame we have added in a function. If I will call this function, then the products page frame will pack in main frame. So let's see how we will switch products page by clicking products page option. Simply, in switch function, we will take a new argument called page. In the page argument, we will take a function of page frame as an argument. And then simply, here we will call given page frame function, for switch in page frame, in main frame. So let's see, how we will switch in, products page in main frame. Here in the product page option button, here we will pass products page frame function. Notice here you need to pass only function name. If the products page option will click, then products page frame will pack in main frame. Now let's test it. You can see, products page frame packed in main frame, but here home page frame was already packed in main frame. So before switch in any page frame in main frame, we will destroy current packed page frame from main frame. So before switch in given page frame, here for loop through, we will destroy current packed frame from main frame. Frame winfo children function will return packed child widgets objects from main frame. So in the for loop through, we will destroy packed child frames from main frame. Also we will update root window, because sometime root window may not show changes. So here before current packed page frame will be destroyed, and then new page frame will switch in. And also we will add other pages functions to their pages options. Now let's test it. You can see, we can switch page. Now press subscribe button, if you have not subscribed Tkinter Hub. So we have created a application, which can switch multiple frames, with modern user interface, using power of Tkinter. And that's for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.